The Halo Lite OpenTherm wired Combi control is a programmable room thermostat designed to work perfectly with your ideal boiler to control both the time and temperature of your central heating. The Halo Lite is easy to use with a large colour screen and is controlled with 2 buttons and a dial. The home screen displays the target temperature on the left and the current room temperature on the right. The left and right hand buttons on the Halo Lite are smart keys and relate to the text directly above them. From the home screen, press the left hand button to enter the menu and press the right hand button to alter the mode. The central dial is an easy and intuitive way to adjust the target temperature up and down. The dial can also be used to scroll through the menus and to help set timed heating schedules. The central temperature gauge shows the target temperature via the bars, with the actual temperature indicated by the marker. When the target is above the current room temperature, the heating will be on, shown by the coloured bars. The flame symbol also shows clearly when the heating is on. For further guidance on using the ideal Halo Lite, see the other how-to videos available online.